Morning. Today I am going to teach you the method of changing active into passive. The method of changing active voice into passive. Last class I taught you how to find out the object of the verb. Without finding the object of the verb, you cannot change active into passive. To find out the object of the verb, you have to ask questions whom or what to the subject and verb. Example, I ate a mango. I ate what? A mango. I beat him. I beat whom? Him. So in the first sentence, mango is the object. It is the answer of the question what. The second sentence, the object is him. It is the answer of the question whom. So this is a way to find out the verb. Next step, bring the object in the active voice in the place of subject and the verb is changed into passive form. Bring the object in the active voice in the place of subject and the verb is changed into passive form. Example, was being becomes was being beaten. Writes comes becomes is written or are written. Subject becomes agent. Agent is written as by plus objective case of the pronoun. That is, he, the subject, becomes by him. I in the subject in the active voice becomes by me in the passive. We becomes by us in the passive voice. You becomes by you. She becomes by her. They becomes by them. Him, me, us, you, her, them are the objective cases of the pronouns he, I, we, you, she, and they. If it is noun, you have to say by Sita, by John, by Tanuja, by plus noun. For example, Sita eats a mango. So the answer is a mango is eaten by Sita. So a noun subject becomes by plus the noun. If the pronoun becomes subject by plus objective case of that pronoun. If the subject is I, then by me. If subject is be, the active voice, then by us. If there is an auxiliary verb with the main verb, be is used with auxiliary and the main verb is changed into past participle. Listen carefully. If there is an auxiliary verb with the main verb, be is used with auxiliary and the main verb is changed into past participle. Example, he can lift the table. Here can lift with the verb, can auxiliary, lift main verb. And can we add be to the auxiliary verb. The table can be lifted by him. Can lift is changed into can plus be plus past participle. He must bring the book. Here the verb is must bring. Must is auxiliary, bring is the main verb. The passive form is the book must be brought by him. The book must be brought by him. So this is the way change active voice into passive voice. You have to find out the object of the verb in the active voice, makes it subject, and the agent is changed into, and subject is changed. Subject becomes agent in the sentence. Agent is written by plus objective case of pronoun and by plus noun. So this is a way of changing active into passive voice. First of all, you have to find out the verb and what tense. I gave you the equivalent passive form of the active verb, and change the active verb in the active voice, change it into passive form that has already been given. So look at the verb and study the method of changing active into passive. You do examples. In your textbook you can find examples. Do it and try to find out. Without the basis of the grammar, you cannot learn it. I cannot do anything to you. Grammar is application. You have to by heart. It is not by hearting. It is to apply. So you have to study the rules and change according to the rules and apply it according to the rules. So study well. Wish you all the best. And active, change it to active, voice into passive voice is over. So you have to study